Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 9 screws on the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and loosen the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure the module. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 9 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.